graphing a line given its equation in slope-intercept form, integer slope. We don't actually cover the slope part of graphing in this particular class, and so but we do need to be familiar with how to graph if the equation is written like this. So as you can see here, I've written our equation. Now this is a line that we're going to be graphing. And in order to do so, that we have to find the points. Now Alex is just going to give you this equation. You'll need to make yourself a t-chart, like I've done here. I like using -1, 0, and 1 because they're easy numbers. If you use bigger numbers, chances are the answer for y may be too big for the graph that you have. And if that's the case, you'll need to use different numbers. So for this example, I'm using a -1, 0, and 1. So what we're going to do is we're substituting these numbers into this part of the equation to find our y. So we're going to put y equals, we're going to bring down the -2, and we're substituting our -1 that we've chosen into x, and then bring down the -4. So -2 times -1 is 2, minus 4 is -2. Okay, so that's what y is for our first ordered pair. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for the next one. So y equals -2 times 0 minus 4. Now, of course, 2 times 0 is 0. So we end up having y equals -4 for our next point. And then we're going down here, and we're going to do the same thing for the last one. So -2 times 1, getting ahead of myself, minus 4. So -2 times 1 is -2, minus 4 is -6. Okay, so now I've got 3 different points. Now I've done it this way, and as you can see I have this huge open area on the side because I'm going to bring Alex over here so that way we can see this. Now if you have very steady hands, you can actually click on this or click on the pencil and plot your ordered pairs. However, Alex is very, very picky, and so if your hand shakes just a little bit, it might graph it incorrectly. So I encourage you to make Alex do some of this work. So you're going to press on this. I call it the exact point plotter, I guess. And notice here you've got your box for your x, and we chose -1. And we found that the answer was -2. So I've typed them both in. Notice they also have the ability to put in fractions if you need to. Then you're going to press plot. Okay, and I don't know if you can see it, your contrast has to be pretty good on your computer, but there is a dot right here. Okay, so now we're going to make Alex do the next point. So 0, -4. Plot. Okay, and just in case you can't see it, the dot is right there. Okay, and we're going to make Alex plot the last one. So 1, -6. Plot. So here's our next one. Now that you've got your dots already on here, you can go ahead and click on this line with the 2 X's and mouse over, and it should automatically kind of click on that point that you already have. So you'll press on it to lock it in place, and then you'll go down to this one and click on that and to make it stay in place. Notice you have a line that goes completely top to bottom, and then you'll click check.